Have California love, it don't matter where you from. We chillin' with the fam until the day is done.
Rise up in the morning in the sunlight. First things first, hit the roof and get my mind right. Get with the brody up and come bless her with some nice honey. Hit the block hot as we cruise.
Alright man, it's Fish On crew, the bait master and the Swimbait Junkie. So what's up?
What's up, man?
Getting ready to get a fish on, man. Fish on! Oh. Fish on, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! First one, baby! Oh, came off! Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Fish on, baby! Get him! It's a biggin! It's a biggin! Ha ha ha!
That's what's nice about having a medium rod, bro. They're all fucking
Yeah. Don't try to overpower too much.
he's coming up full by little.
He'll go back down.
Yeah, once he starts pulling, look, right there.
Osa.
Shark, bro.
What kind of shark is that? Oh shit!
Take him to shore, bro.
Yeah, let's go take him to shore. I'm gonna caption it, tone it to shore. Hey, don't go away.
Hey, coming up right there, get some footage.
I'm trying to. Don't let it get away though. Epic battle, baby. Come on, baby. Where's color? Where's color? Almost there, man. Fish on, baby. Almost there. I'm trying to get the color shot. Still can't see it. Yeah, it's an angel shark.
Huh?
It's an angel shark. I never seen one in person, but I've seen pictures. It's right there.
You gonna keep him?
Take a picture. Yeah, see? Woohoo! Color, baby! Can't get better than that. Look at that. Nice.
Still wearing my flippers.
Woo, baby. Good job, baby. Yeah.
Have California love, it don't matter where you from. We chillin' with the fam until the day is done.
Rise up in the morning in the sunlight. First things first, hit the roof and get my mind right. Get with the brody up and come bless her with some nice honey.